Hello and welcome back to Bangalore Property Insights with Ackshara.
Look, if you're a first-time home buyer in a dynamic market like Bangalore, you're excited, you're nervous, and you're probably dreaming about that perfect living room.
It is. But here's the brutal truth. 9 out of 10 first-timer make at least of the 5 critical mistakes
that can cost them lakhs of rupees, years of stress, and even that dream property. We're not talking about small slip-ups.
Today, I'm cutting straight to the chase to reveal the top 5 mistakes that stop smart people from becoming smart homeowners.
The biggest mistake: focusing only on the down payment. Buyers look at the price and get excited and completely underestimate the total cost of ownership. Stay with me, we'll tell you what you need to do. Pro tip: it's not just your EMI. You need to do budget for registration, stamp duty, interior fittings, maintenance, and one of the most forget is property tax. If your EMI maxes you out, you have no financial cushion.
Mistake number 2, the location compromise on lifestyle. Many buyers settle for a location just because the price is low.
Save 5 lakhs on the purchase, but you spend an extra 2 hours every day commuting, or your kid's school is an hour away. Your home's value is tied to its accessibility. Check the future infrastructure, upcoming metro lines, new ring roads. Your home is for your life. 2 hours commute should not be. Look for potential, not just present convenience. The fine print. This is the one that gets people into trouble. Not shopping around for your home loan. Most buyers just go with the bank where they already have an account. Big mistake. The pro tip: even 0.5% difference in the interest rate can save you hundreds of thousands over a 20-year term. So demand a detailed loan comparison sheet from at least 3 different banks.
And, most importantly, have a property legal expert, not the builder's lawyer, vet the sale deed and occupancy certificate.
That OC is your golden ticket. It's easy to fall in love with a property, that beautiful view, the fancy clubhouse.
Successful property buying is 90% logic, 10% emotion. The pro tip: you need to think like an investor. Ask yourself, can I easily sell this property 5 years from now? Look at the rental yield in the area. High rental demand usually means high resale potential. Don't let a marble countertop distract you from poor construction quality or documentation. Mistake number 5: going solo. The final common most mistake is trying to do it all by yourself. The market is too complex, the legalities are too tricky, and then the builder-agent relationship is stacked against you. The pro tip: you need an unbiased advocate, whether it's a financial advisor, a property lawyer, or an ethical property consultant like us. You need someone who knows the market and is working for you. Don't rely solely on the sales pitch. Knowledge is power, and professional guidance is your shield. So, there you have it, folks. The top 5 mistakes that turn a dream purchase into a nightmare. Buying your first home should be one of the most rewarding milestones in your life, not the most stressful. If you can avoid these 5 traps by budgeting smartly, researching location, vetting your loan, thinking like an investor, and getting an expert help, you already miles ahead of 90% of the competition. Now, since you are still here, you know these 5 mistakes are just the tip of the iceberg. You have mastered the defensive game. But now, let's talk offense, where we are going deeper for our next 10 minutes into 3 golden rules that separate smart homeowners from property millionaires. This is advanced class. The three golden rules for property success is golden rule number 1. The power of pre-launch versus ready to move. Most first-time buyers only look at ready to move property because it feels safe, but safely often comes at the cost of massive appreciation. When you buy a flat that's ready, the builder has already priced in the appreciation for you. You are buying at the top of the retail market. The property millionaire tip. Look for pre-launch or early stage under construction project from reputable Tier 1 builders. You get the lowest possible price point, often 15% to 20% discount compared to the expected handover price. Yes, there is a small risk, but you mitigate it by choosing builders with proven track record of on-time delivery. Your waiting period becomes your investment period. That 15 to 20% gain is pure, tax efficient profit when you sell. Coming to golden number 2, decode the corporate area versus super builder area scam. This is where builders play with the numbers, and most builders don't even know they are being charged for air. You pay per square foot, but what square feet you are paying for? The super build-up area includes common areas, lobbies, staircase, and even the percentage of the entire project amenities. The property millionaire tip. Always negotiate based on the corporate area, which is the actual usable space inside your four walls. A good project should have conversion ratio where the corporate area is at least 70 to 75% of the super build-up area. If the builder's ratio is only 60%, it means you are paying for an extra 10 to 15% of space you can't even stand in. Demand the detailed floor plan and calculate the ratio before you sign anything. Golden rule number 3. The capital gain strategy. You bought your dream home, but what happens when you need to upgrade or relocate? The biggest mistake sellers make is not understanding the tax implications. If you sell too soon, a huge chunk of your profit goes straight to the tax department as short-term capital gains. The property millionaire tip. You need to hold your property for at least 24 months to qualify for long-term capital gains (LTCG). Allows you to apply indexation, which is government benefit that lowers your taxable profit based on inflation. This can literally save you lakhs of rupees in taxes. Plan your exit strategy from day one. Know your 2-year mark and try to sell after it. This is how you maximize your actual take-home profit. So, there you have it, folks. We covered the defensive mistakes you must avoid and the 3 offensive golden rules to make your property millionaire. This is the difference between simply owning a home and truly building a generational wealth. If this video helped you feel more prepared, please do two things for me. Hit that like button. It tells you YouTube this content is valuable. Subscribe to Bangalore Property Insights with Ackshara and hit the bell icon. We drop exclusive tips every week that can literally save you lakhs. Got a question about a specific locality or a builder? Drop it in the comments below. I personally read and respond to you as many as I can. Until next time, this is Ackshara.